Before we record any donation, we tell ZetaFisc which accounts to post to. Further down the sidebar, we open Settings. We open the Company Settings tab, where the chart of accounts defaults live. Down here are the donation control accounts. A donation must credit a proper donation income account, and a disbursement must charge a program or relief expense account, never sales revenue. ZetaFisc never creates these accounts behind your back. You choose your own from the list, or, for a quick start, click Create Standard Donation Account and ZetaFisc sets up a donation income account and a program expense account, reusing any that already exists so nothing is duplicated, and selects them for you. Both accounts are now selected. You could also pick your own from the list at any time. We save the company settings. From now on, every donation posts to these accounts automatically. With the accounts configured, we can start using the module.